Hey there, self-implementers. If you're using an accountability chart, you're self-implementing EOS, you're trying to use the tools and you're just not quite sure if it's working. You're just not quite sure if you are using the tool correctly, if you have all the right people in the right seats, if your structure for the organization is good enough to get you to where you want to go in the next 6 to 12 months. Well, I want to invite you to the Self-Implementer Workshop. And in that workshop, we're going to have breakouts. You can compare your accountability chart to the accountability chart of other people, other industries, and really just tune up your tools to make sure that you're getting the absolute best out of your structure, you're getting the best out of your people, and you have all the tools you need to get right people, right seats. You got to have both. And so I hope to see you there. We'll see ya.